Hi, in this video, we will troubleshoot and fix update issues on CentOS operating system. So this is my CentOS server. So first we will check the CentOS version. So for that I will type cat etc star hyphen release. So we can see this is my CentOS 8 server. So now we will update our CentOS operating system. So in order to update our CentOS operating system, we know the command. So we will type yum update and we'll hit enter and it's failing. Now you see we are getting this error. It says fail to download metadata for repo app stream. Cannot prepare internal mirror list. No URLs in mirror list. So we often get this error when we try to update our CentOS operating system. So in this video, we will see how to fix this issue. Go to yum.repos.d directory. So we'll type cd etc yum.repos.d. And now we need to execute two commands. So I will provide the commands in the description box for your reference. So this is the first command. We will type this command and then we will hit enter. This is the second command. We will type this command and then again we will hit enter. Now we will see whether yum update works or not. So again we will type yum update and hit enter and now see it's working. So now it's connected to the app stream and now it fetched all the details from the repository. So now it is telling whether we should proceed or not. So I will type yes, Y and then hit enter. And now see it's working cool. So my CentOS operating system is now getting updated. See, my CentOS operating system has updated. Yum update command is now working fine and everything is updated. Now, if I type yum update, it says dependencies resolved and nothing to do. So my yum update has been completed. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please comment down if you want me to make videos on any other topics or on any troubleshooting issues.